This is the Ratcheting Raven. So far on my cooling system overhaul on my 91 RX-7, I have removed the radiator, the fan shroud, the fan, the alternator, the air pump, the air box, the battery box, and I'm sure I'm forgetting something. I have a whole stack of parts over here to my right. So next, while I'm waiting for parts to come in the mail, I'm just gonna start replacing some of the hoses and go from there. And maybe in a few, I'll get to cleaning the water pump housing. But I don't know, we'll see. Let's go. First, I'm going to be doing the heater core hoses. I've got these silicone hoses from HPS, super nice. This one goes on the driver's side. This one goes on the passenger side. And this one goes directly to the radiator right there. So first, I'm gonna start with this one. Goes on the driver's side because it seems to be the most difficult to get to. Here is the old hose that I'm going to be taking out. Starts right here, comes through here, and goes down to right there. You can't really see, but it ends right here. So all of this. So that's what I'm going to be doing first. All right, that one's off. Now I have to get to this one that's way down here. I don't know, you can kind of see it. It's right there where the tip of my finger is. And that is going to be kind of a nightmare to get to, quite honestly. So let me figure out how I'm gonna do. I'm sure this screwdriver is way too big, way too big. It's a 10 mil. You can't really see it, kind of. I've got it pretty loose. I'm gonna try and slide it back. All right, bottom's off. There's not the greatest angle for you to see this, but right there where my pinky is, that's where the hose connects. And right here is that top part of the hose. I'm gonna try these long handled pliers. That'll help me a little more. Also don't want to be too rough and mess up the heater core, so I'm just trying to break the seal on the hose. There we go. Looks like someone's replaced this before and already kind of messed it up, because that definitely wasn't me. All right, top's on. This is the hose I'm working with, and this right there is where I'm connecting it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a hose clamp on. Okay. Getting there slowly. I think that's about as far as this is gonna go on. I'm trying to make this easier if I need to do anything in the future. So I'm trying to position these so it's a little bit easier for me to get to. Looking for a shorter screwdriver, did not find one. I could get up and just get like a 6 or 8 mil wrench, but I don't really want to do that. All right, that's on there pretty good and tight, not going anywhere. Now for the bottom. Make sure that's on there good and snug. Yep, it's not going anywhere. The driver's side one is complete. Okay, so next I'll be doing the passenger side, like I said, and it goes from right here to right here. Alright, now that that's out of the way, I'm going to try and break the seal that's on there. Not a whole lot of room. Let me think how I'm going to do this, because it is stuck on there. Okay, so I broke the seal, and there it is, it's off. That was a task, let me tell you. Woo. Okay, so the next part I have to unclamp right here, and of course the clamp is positioned towards the bottom side. Okay, I got it turned around. Maybe I'm just hopeful, but maybe that'll make it a little bit easier. I'm now thinking about how just hilarious it was that I said that the passenger side looked easier, because this is how it always turns out. The one that looks hard is always easy, and the one that looks easy is always hard. It's getting there, like centimeter by centimeter. Okay. It's almost off. Boom. Look at all that sludge in there. There is so much buildup. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna have to flush this thing. Okay, bottom is on. I'm going to slip a hose clamp on it. Okay, now I'll put the top on. In retrospect, it may have been easier to put the top on first, but whatever. After I finish tightening up the clamp at the bottom of this heater hose, I do get to the top one. My camera died and I just didn't record it. Next I'm going to do this hose, which goes directly to the radiator. It's pretty old and gunky. And it goes like this. Goes on here, right here. Like that. Go ahead and get a hose clamp. And we're gonna put it right there, like that. That might not have been the smartest way to put it because I forgot the air smog pump, whatever. It goes like right there. So I may move the location of this to over here. We'll see.